Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the epic battle of the Intel Core i7s. On the left, we have the trusty Intel Core i7-12700KF, and on the right, the shiny new Intel Core i7-13700KF. Let's see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, the price. The Intel Core i7-12700KF is priced at around $465, making it a significant investment. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-13700KF comes in at approximately $394. While both are premium processors, the 13700KF offers a slightly more budget-friendly option. Next, let's talk performance. The Intel Core i7-12700KF features a 3.60 GHz processor, 11 MB L2 cache, and 25 MB L3 cache. Reviewers have praised its smooth gameplay and reliability, making it a great option for gaming. However, some users have reported issues with XMP settings on certain motherboards. On the other hand, the Intel Core i7-13700KF boasts 16 cores, 24 threads, and up to 5.4 GHz unlocked. With 30 MB cache, it's designed to handle more demanding tasks. Reviewers highlight its exceptional performance in both gaming and multitasking, though it tends to run hot and requires a good cooling solution. Now, architecture. The Intel Core i7-12700KF utilizes Intel's 7 architecture, designed for efficient gaming. Reviewers appreciate its flexibility and gaming capabilities. The Intel Core i7-13700KF, however, features a performance hybrid architecture with a combination of P cores and E cores, making it ideal for both gaming and content creation. Reviewers love its multitasking capabilities and stability under heavy workloads. Compatibility is crucial. The Intel Core i7-12700KF works with Intel 600 and 700 series motherboards, making it straightforward to integrate into existing setups. Reviewers find it simple and effective. The Intel Core i7-13700KF also supports Intel 600 and 700 series motherboards, but may require a BIOS update. This is a minor inconvenience, but worth it for the added performance benefits. Additional features can make or break a deal. The Intel Core i7-12700KF requires discrete graphics and offers no thermal solution, much like its competitor. Reviewers note its excellent performance with high-end graphics cards like the RTX 4070. The Intel Core i7-13700KF also lacks a thermal solution, but includes Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, PCIe 5.0, and 4.0 support, and Intel Optane memory support. Reviewers are impressed with its additional features, though they recommend good cooling solutions due to its higher power consumption. Overall, the Intel Core i7-12700KF is praised for its reliability and gaming performance, though some users have reported compatibility issues with XMP settings. The Intel Core i7-13700KF is celebrated for its exceptional performance in gaming and multitasking, but it runs hot and requires effective cooling solutions. So what's the verdict? The Intel Core i7-12700KF is a solid performer, but the Intel Core i7-13700KF is the flashy new kid on the block, with more cores, higher speeds, and extra features. If you want to future-proof your setup and enjoy the latest tech, the 13700KF might just be your new best friend. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another smart buying decision. Comment below which processor you'd pick and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart. Buy smart.